Good morning. I Paramita Chakraborty. Morning time. Morning time is the best time for study because at that time the brain is very active. We all know from the childhood. So the today I am discussion my discussing topic is hormones in animals. Control and coordination chapter class 10. Okay, biology subject. The plant hormone are mainly for directional growth. We know that the plant hormone is for directional growth. Directional growth means what? Phototropism. Suppose any plants bend towards the light, sunlight when falls on them. Phototropism, geotropism, that is. But in animals, it is for other purpose as well as growth. But in animals, it is not only for the growth, it is also involved in other purpose. Preparing the body, consider the situation. Suppose, as for example, a squirrel encountered a scary situation. When the situation is there, the squirrel think that somebody is come to kill him or to take him. Then squirrel what? This uh, very much afraid. Okay, so he face the scary situation. What he will it do? Either it will fight or run away. So in that situation, what the squirrels will do? Either it fled away from the situation or it fight. That anybody comes, I will fight. I will not fly away. I have courage. Okay, both the situations are complicated for the animal. It has to be depend on its body systems. Such situation in the animals are handled efficiently by nervous system and chemical coordination system. So which two systems in question arise? Which two systems are involved in this case? The squirrels either fled away or the squirrels either fight. Okay, which two system? Nervous system and chemical coordination system. If nervous system only would be responsible to encounter the situation, it would take more time and only those cells would be ready which are connected to nervous system. But if chemicals are present, it would help to remain alert and respond by cells at all times when needed. It is done in all animals. So I am telling before that the in this situation the squirrel, suppose as for example squirrel situation, then what happened? The two systems are involved: nervous systems and chemical coordination systems. Okay, so why two system? Why not only nervous system? Nervous system is, if nervous system is only there, then it has to take time. Okay, nerves send the messages, brain analyze the message, then brain send the messages again by the motor neuron. So if the chemicals are present, it would help to remain alert and respond by cells at all times when needed. All times when anyone very much afraid, he is fled away, then the chemicals also be secreted and chemical coordination system is also added with the nervous system. Clear? Now first one, adrenaline, fight or flight hormone. Adrenaline is actually secreted by the adrenal glands in the body, including human. It is secreted in excess during the scary situation. Suppose if anyone, যদি কেউ ধরো জঙ্গলের মধ্যে গেল, জঙ্গলে ঘুরতে গেছে, তখন হঠাৎ করে বাঘ বেরোলো, তখন কি হচ্ছে, সে দর 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 করে দৌড়ে 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 এক জায়গা থেকে আরেক জায়গায় যাচ্ছে, রানিং ফ্রম ইয়ার অ্যান্ড ইয়ার, মানে প্রাণপণে লড়াই করছে। অ্যাট দ্যাট টাইম the scary situation, adrenaline hormone is secreted excess. Then the animal either fight or flight. If it cannot fight, when this hormone is released in the blood, following events have been occur in the body. So এই যে সিচুয়েশনে একটা মানুষ ভয় পেল, সে প্রাণপণে দৌড়াচ্ছে যাতে বাঘ তাকে কামড়ে না দেয় বা ইয়ে করতে না পারে, বাঘ বা অন্য কিছু যা কিছু এনিথিং, ওকে, দেন অ্যাট দ্যাট টাইম when the hormones acting release adrenaline excess amount, then what it has been do. Adrenaline in blood first carried to different parts of the body, target cells or organ. Then target cells, organ, tissues including heart. Okay, so adrenaline go to the heart also. Heartbeat faster. Why it goes to the heart? Why is not goes to the another part? Because heartbeat is faster. Heartbeat is faster, and heartbeat is if faster, it pumps blood, okay, with more oxygen in the muscles. Blood rich in oxygen diverted to skeletal muscle from other parts of the body, that is digestive system, skin, by reducing the blood flow to them. Okay, next step, what? Blood enriched with oxygen by rapid breathing process. Rapid breathing process, the blood is enriched with oxygen. Skeletal muscle ready with excess oxygen for oxidation of food to release energy for fight or flight. So this is the flow chart. This is the flow chart of release of adrenaline in blood. So everyone make this, after hearing my explanation, everyone make the flow chart. Okay. All these events occur in sequence in a great speed so that the animal can respond, act and accordingly. প্রত্যেকটা step, every step very faster rate, very fast, অনেক ফাস্টে হয়. Thus animal hormone play an important role in dealing with such situation. সেই জন্য animal hormone is very অ্যাক্টিভ, সবসময় অ্যাক্টিভ থাকে, যে when there is a danger situation, the animals is fled away or animal is fight, and that situation the hormone has been secreted and works properly. Okay, animal hormones are produced by the endocrine system, and it is a second way of control and coordination of our body. Next, first adrenaline hormone, then growth hormone, GH for growth. Growth hormone in human beings is produced by which gland? Pituitary gland, and also called the master gland. Pituitary gland, why called the master gland? Because the pituitary gland is control all the system of the endocrine other glands. Okay, it is situated in the brain. This hormone is responsible for the growth and development of the body. Growth hormone. The height of the person depend on it. Yes, the height of the person. Suppose anyone is very short in height, that is also depend. Anyone is very long in height, so that is also depend for growth hormone. Normal secretion produces normal height. Excess of it produces tall person, and less it causes dwarfness. Okay, the secretion starts during the developmental stage, that is the childhood. Growth hormone actually normally in all the body parts, and not specially as in plants. It controls growth all over growth. Next, third number, and coming to the thyroxine. Thyroxine, very important, regulates metabolism. This hormone is produced by thyroid gland located in the neck region. Okay, the important component of thyroxine is iodine. It is needed for normal functioning of the gland. Its deficiency in diet causes enlargement of this gland. This gland has been enlarged because of deficiency of iodine. This condition is called goiter. It is prevented by how it is prevented? By eating iodized salts in food. Okay. Next, thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormone regulates metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, fat, and for balanced growth of the body and mental development. Very important. So today, up to this, next day, insulin, puberty hormones, all these hormones, testosterone, estrogen, I will explain. So everyone understood this. This is, I think that this is this my explanation is very interesting. Yes or no?